All right, so this is how you make a quick pizza with the pizza dough we just made and also the sauce we just made. So these have risen nicely. They've been rising for about 3.5 hours. So this is the final product. What you want to do is just get some bench flour, and now we're just going to flatten it out into a circle. Just like this. So what I'm doing is with my left hand, I'm holding it down, and my right hand I'm stretching out. Just like that. And for some reason I poked a hole. What we're gonna do is just gonna pinch it. There you go. Now underneath the dough, I'm gonna put some cornmeal just to act as some ball bearings. And then we're gonna go ahead and make our first pizza, which will be a margarita pizza. Done. First step, get the sauce. Now we just made the sauce, so it's still a bit hot. You typically want this to be at room temperature or slightly cold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, light layer of sauce. Then I'm gonna just rip up some basil on the bottom. I'm gonna put this underneath the cheese just because of my oven is very high temp and these will burn if they're on top of the cheese. Then we'll put a light layer of cheese. I'm using pre-shredded cheese today just because I'm in a bit of a time crunch. All right, into the oven we go. Now if it's sticking, just toss some cornmeal underneath it. Okay. There we go. We want a pizza that's free flowing on our peel, and we won't have any issues. Okay, out to my outdoor kitchen. And we're going to put this in, just like that. And I'm gonna turn it down here, almost all the way down. Okay, so that pizza's done. I'm going to turn the heat back up to high, and inside we go. Best thing to do is to let it cool on a cooling rack just a little bit. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow some excess moisture to escape, and the bottom of the pizza is going to be more crunchy. So to finish it off, we're going to add some basil leaves right to the hot pizza. And that's one done. Italian fennel sausage pizza with giardiniera. This is probably my #1 favorite pizza right now. So, same. This is Italian sausage I just cooked. At my local store, they didn't have fennel sausage. So they just had hot Italian sausage. So what I did was I just added my own fennel to it. All right, so here's how you finish up this pizza. This Italian sausage with hot muffaletta. Cut it into 4. Put it on a plate. And we're going to get some muffaletta on it. You can use muffaletta. I also have giardiniera. It depends on how thin you want these veggies chopped. Today we're going to do some muffaletta. And that's it. We can have a look at our first pizza, which the oven wasn't hot enough, but it's beautiful underneath. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.